Hi, I'm Stephany, and welcome to Repair and Replace, your online resource for quick and easy repairs. Today, we're going to perform a continuity test on your gas furnace igniter. A hot surface igniter works similarly to an incandescent light bulb. As electricity flows through the element, the resistance in the material generates heat. This flash of heat causes the gas to ignite. The igniter can burn out over time with normal use and may appear singed or cracked. This can be difficult to see, as even a small break can cause an igniter to fail. It's best to perform a continuity test, as this will determine if a continuous electrical path is present. Without continuity, the igniter will not function. All you'll need is your hot surface igniter and a digital or analog multimeter. First, disconnect all power to your furnace and isolate or remove the igniter. Be careful when handling the igniter and don't touch the element with your fingers. If you use an analog multimeter, set the multimeter to the lowest ohms of resistance. Next, touch the probes together and adjust the needle until it's calibrated at 0. If you're using a digital multimeter, also set the dial to the lowest ohms of resistance. To test for continuity, take the probe from the multimeter and touch it to one of the terminals. Now touch the second probe to the remaining terminal. If the igniter has continuity, your multimeter should read anywhere from 30 to 200 ohms. If there is no reading on the multimeter or very little change, then there is no continuity and you will have to replace the igniter. If you found this video useful, hit like. To keep up to date on Repair and Replace, please subscribe. And for the widest selection of parts, low prices, and same-day shipping, explore our website below. Thanks for watching.